In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and format images on a Squarespace website using image blocks. This will give your site that professional touch, enhancing both its aesthetic appeal and functionality. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to begin from your primary Squarespace dashboard. This is your central hub where all the magic begins. Once you're there, locate and click on Website. This will take you to your site editor, the gateway to customizing your website to fit your brand and style. Now that you're in your site editor, you'll see an edit button prominently displayed. Go ahead and click that. This is where you'll be making all the adjustments to your site. As you're editing, keep in mind that the changes you make here will reflect directly on your published site, so proceed thoughtfully. The next step is to add an image block. Click on Add Block, and from the drop-down menu that appears, find and select Image Block. This function is what allows you to incorporate images into your web pages. Proper image usage can significantly enhance the user experience, making your site more engaging. Once you've added the image block, it's time to populate it with images. For this, you'll select the Add an Image button. Choose Select from Library if you have pre-uploaded images in your Squarespace library, making use of existing resources to streamline your workflow. Having selected your desired image, you'll see an Add button prompting you to formally insert the image into the block. Click on Add, and just like that, your image is live on your site. Don't worry if it's not perfect at first, you'll have the opportunity to tweak it shortly. With the image added, you can now focus on its design to ensure it aligns with your overall site aesthetic. Click on Design and explore various options, such as shape and layout. It's the small details that make your website stand out, so take your time examining different styles and formats to find what looks best. Finally, there's one more layer of customization. You have multiple highlights or options to adjust overall image settings further, allowing you to get every detail just right. Consider experimenting with different hues, shadows, and contrast to make your images pop. That's it. You've successfully added and formatted images on your Squarespace site using image blocks. Utilizing these skills, you can now go on to create a visually stunning website that speaks volumes about your brand or project. Don't forget to preview your site to see how your images appear on different devices. This ensures optimum presentation for all your visitors. Happy designing!